a little while ago I made a hair review video for men's hair. Lot of great information there. If you did miss that one, I'm gonna link it over here, you can check that out. But I've got some more stuff to share with you. This is the ultimate guide to using a blow dryer. So I know that some of you have never used that before. That's fine. It can be a little intimidating that it's not just for girls, it's just a dryer. It dries your hair, it gets all the moisture out of your hair, so that's it. It's not feminine, so it's gonna make your hairstyle stay up all the day long. It's gonna make it look shinier. It's gonna be quicker, right? Within 5 minutes your hairstyle will be well done and you're gonna feel so much better about how it will look. So alright, let's get started. So the first thing is that you need a damp hair. Not completely wet, but it should kind of have moisture in it. I like to start with the back and then go to the front of my hair because that's what needs to look the best, right? So I do that to make sure it looks good. You can start styling with any of the 3 fan speeds. It is really important for you guys that you blow dry your hair in the direction that you want it to end up in. Don't go all over the place or your hair is gonna be a mess. I actually even like to blow dry my hair upwards to give it volume. Something to keep in mind, don't keep the heat on the same place for too long or you're gonna burn your hair and your scalp, and try not to blow dry from too close if your hair dryer is really that strong. Now I use a brush to get the desired style. Make sure to use an evented brush if you want massive volume. Now try to blow dry the side of your head and then the back side because you need everything dry. Once you are done, you should change the heat setting from hot to cold. That will lock the hair follicles in place. So alright, when you are happy with how it looks, then it's time to apply some finishing product. I will use hair clay by Kocaine Klay. Just apply to the top and the sides and make the final adjustments to polish up your hairstyle. I think this is a really cool hairstyle because it changes, it gets more character and texture throughout the day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. This is how you should use a hair dryer. The process is real simple. Just make sure that you use a heat protectant before the process. So if you made it this far, thank you all of you. I'll see you soon.